Are you tired of the labor that it takes to wash or peel sugarcane? We've invented the BeautiCane Sugarcane Washing Machine that can wash up to 10 sugarcanes at one time. This amazing machine is very compact, uses only 200 liters of water per hour, and can wash up to 2 tons of sugarcane per hour. You simply put your sugarcane in the machine, and the 2-year life brushes will brush the cane with high-powered pressure water that is sprayed on the cane, and it comes out the opposite side absolutely gorgeous. Your cane is spot-free, it is clean, it is shine, it is ready to crush, ready to serve, and this is a great machine to save time and labor. This is the BeautiCane Washing Machine. It is only 2 horsepower, uses very little power, and it is very, very effective in cleaning sugar canes, turning your sugar canes from dirty to absolutely gorgeous sugar cane. You will have the best sugar cane if you run it through the BeautiCane. You can inquire and I can help you out, and you can have absolutely stunning sugarcane, the cleanest on earth. Inquire with me at the number below. Thank you for watching.